I am a little late for the trend, but here's my desi version for the viral chopped salad with Achari Paneer Chopped Sandwich. For a marinade, we will mix together yogurt, mustard oil, achar along with some spices until it forms a smooth paste. To this, add some paneer, or you can even replace it with tofu. Add some chickpeas, nicely coated with the marinade, then bake, air fry, or you can even pan fry it. For the salad, I have used some lettuce, cabbage, tomatoes, onions and cucumbers, and some fresh herbs like mint and cilantro, cream cheese, green chutney, mustard, imli ki chutney. Give this all a fine chop using a knife, and it's actually pretty effective despite what some videos says online. And now we will add our achari paneer and chickpeas and give this a rough chop to mix it all together. Transfer onto some toasted bread and garnish with some sriracha mayo and some cheese if you would like. And trust me, this is truly so fun to make, and the options with customizing are endless. Head over to my blog for the detailed recipe and give this a try.